How to see live YouTube subscriber count. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Chrome browser on your device, and as you launch the Chrome browser, simply tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. As you tap on the top of the screen, simply set as default and simply search for youtube.com. So let's search for youtube.com. Let's just tap on it and search for youtube.com. So make sure you are logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, what you can simply do is tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. So let's tap on it, and as you tap on it, you will be able to see the option of YouTube Studio. So select on YouTube Studio under your profile, and as you do that, it will lead us to a new page where you will be able to see the option of different channel customization and channel information. So here you can simply see the option of channel analytics at the channel dashboard. So you can see the current subscribers is 0. So that's how you can see the live YouTube subscriber count. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.